This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marcella Parker. Exceptional 2/2 corner unit in Prime Sunset Harbour location. Discover this stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom corner unit on a high floor, situated in the vibrant heart of Sunset Harbour. This residence boasts an open floor plan with a spacious kitchen featuring updated stainless steel appliances. Enjoy the luxury of 2 private balconies, beautiful hardwood floors, modernized bathrooms, and protective hurricane film for added peace of mind. A huge +2 parking spaces, a valuable perk. Residents of Sunset Harbour South benefit from top-notch amenities, including a state-of-the-art fitness center, a resort-style bayside saltwater pool and jacuzzi, and the convenience of a full-service marina. Live within walking distance of amazing restaurants, shops, hotels, Fresh Market and Lincoln Road. For more information, review the details below.